English class. So students, in last class we have started the lesson, the last unit of our first term, that is Bill fell ill. So in the last class we came to know Bill is a boy. He was sleeping. His dad came into his room and the boy Bill, he was not able to get up from his bed. So his dad came into his room and his dad saw Bill till he was in the bed. So when dad came into the room, Bill told dad that Bill told his dad that he was not feeling well and he had ache in his head. So his head was aching, his head was paining, and how he was feeling, Bill, he was feeling. So for that he was not able to get up from his bed. So Bill, he told his dad that he was not able to get up and he was feeling hot and he was feeling as ill and he was feeling pain in his head, feeling in his head. His head was paining. So he had red pink color spots on his face. So Bill, he was not well. So dad and mom, what they did? Dad and mom, they took care of Bill. Why they took care of Bill? Because Bill, he was not well. So for that both of them, dad and mom, they took care of Bill. So Bill, he was not well, no. So for that he was not able to get up from his bed. So for that, from the bed only, Bill, he asked something to drink to his mother. So when he asked something to drink, mother, she came and she gave the milk to Bill to drink. So Bill, now he wanted to listen story from his dad. So he was getting bored, he was not well. So for that, Bill, he wanted to listen story from his dad. So he asked his dad to say some story, tell some story. So then when Bill, he asked his dad to tell some story, then dad, he told him Bill a story. And Bill told his mother, see, Bill, Mom, my head hurts, my spots itch, sing me a song. See, Bill, now he listened the story of his father, but till now he was not feeling well. So what was happening to him was he had spots, red pink spots on his face. See here, he had pink spots on his face. So these spots, what they were doing, they were itching and his head was hurting, his head was paining, and those pink spots, they were itching. So for that, to avoid that hurt in his head and avoid the itching of his pink spots on the face, he wanted his mother to sing the song. So for that, Bill, he asked his mother to sing a song for him. See here, nodri ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, Bill ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ, ಗುಳ್ಳೆ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ. ಅವೇನಾಗ್ತಾವ, ಗುಳ್ಳೆ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆರೆಸ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ. ಇಚ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಕೆರ್ಸೋದು. ಸೊ ಕೆರ್ಸಾಗತ್ತಾವ ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ತಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಭಾಳ ತಲೆ ನೋಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಆ ತಲೆನೋವು ಮತ್ತು ಇಚ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಚ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು his spots, they are itching. So he wanted his mother to sing a song for him. ಸೊ ಅವನಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಾನವ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. he asked his mother to sing a song for him. ಸೊ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ, ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ mom she did, mom sang him a song. So when Bill he asked his mother to sing a song, then the mother she sang a song for Bill. ಸೊ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳ, ಒಂದು ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಹಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಬಿಲ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸೊ ಮದರ್ ಶಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಗ್, mom sang Bill a story. Mom she sang a story for Bill. Dad called a doctor. So now Bill he is not well. So what happened to him? What happened to Bill? His head was paining. He was feeling hot and he got pink spots on his face. So for that, Dad what he did? Dad he called doctor. So when we fall ill, what our parents they do? They call doctor. Otherwise they take us to the doctor. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ or they do your parents, they call doctor or they take you to the doctor. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ತಾರ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ now Bill he is not well. Bill is also not well. He is ill. So Dad what he did? Dad he called doctor to the house. Why? Because Bill was not able to get out from his bed. Bill ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ತನ್ನ ಬೆಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರುವಷ್ಟು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಾದರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಡಿಡ್? ಫಾದರ್ ಹಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಟು ದ ಹೌಸ್. ಫಾದರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಮನೆಗೇನೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದರು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. Bill went to sleep. Dad and mom went to sleep. So all it happened. So now it was evening. Doctor came and gave the treatment. Doctor came in the sense he gave the treatment. ಡಾಕ್ಟರನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಪ ಕರೆದಾರು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇವ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು Bill and it was evening. So in the evening Bill, in the evening in the sense night, it became evening. In the evening Bill he went to sleep to his bedroom. So he went to his bedroom for sleeping. So Bill, it is evening. So Bill what he did? He went to his room and he slept in his room. And here mom and dad, they both of them they also went to their room and they also slept. ಸೊ ಅಮ್ಮ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಿಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ, ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ, ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಮಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದೇರ್ ರೂಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಲೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಮಲಗಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್? ಸೊ ಮರುದಿವಸ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್? ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ. Now it was morning. Bill was better. He went to tell mom and dad. Mom and dad were still in bed. So now doctor came to the house and gave the treatment to Bill, and Bill he went to his room to sleep. Now it is morning. Next day morning Bill he got up and he was feeling better than earlier day. So Bill he was getting well. Bill he got well. Bill ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಮರುದಿವಸ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದ, ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆರಾಮ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ Bill he was feeling well that morning. Next morning ಮರುದಿವಸ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ, ಆರಾಮ ಅನಿಸಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ he was feeling well now. So for that Bill he went to his mom and dad's room. So he was feeling well. For that, to tell his parents that he was feeling well, for that he went to the room of mom and dad. When he went to the room of mom and dad both of they were until they were in the bed. So when Bill he went to ಅಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾನ, ನಂಗೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗ್ಯದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಬೆಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಲಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್, ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ. Bill asked now. Bill, he is in the room of mom and dad. They were in bed. So Bill, he asks his mom and dad, wake up mom, wake up dad, I am better now, look my spots have gone. So mom and dad, they were sleeping in the room. So Bill, he was in the room of mom and dad. So Bill, he saw mom and dad, they were still in the bed only. So for that, what he did, Bill, he called mom and dad. He made them. He called them, wake up dad and wake up mom. So Bill ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳು ಅಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳು ಅಂತ ಎಬ್ಬಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. Why? See here, my spots they have gone. All my spots they have gone, and now I am feeling better. So Bill told his parents that all his spots they have gone and he was feeling well. So now how he was feeling? Bill, he was feeling very well. So he wanted to tell his father and mother that he was okay now then. So for that he made them to wake up and told them that he was feeling better and his all spots they have gone, they have vanished. So what happened next? When he made the parents to wake up, what mom she told Bill. See here, mom told Bill, dear, I have spots now, my spots itch, my head hurts. So now Bill, he became better now. But what happened? Now mom and dad they fell ill. Bill, he became okay. But now what happened? Bill's mom and dad they became ill. They fell ill. So mom, when Bill told them that he was feeling better and his spots, all the spots they have gone. So then mom, she told Bill that yes, your spots have gone and you are feeling now better. But what happened to us? Now I am feeling ill. So now mom and dad they got the pink spots and they were feeling hot and their head that started paining. See here, the face of the mom and dad. See Bill's face, he has all the spots they have gone from his face. But see here, mom and dad's face, they got the pink spots on their face. So mom told Bill that now they are feeling ill and they got pink spots on their face, and those spots, what they are doing, they are itching. Those spots they are itching and her head it was paining, it was hurting. So dad also told Bill that, oh Bill, I am not well, my spots itch, my head hurts. See, the same thing happened to the dad also. So dad also, he also fell ill and he also got spots on his face, and those spots they were itching. And his head also it was hurting. So both of mom and dad, both of they are not feeling well. So Bill what he did? Bill, dad, I will take care of you. Mom, I will take care of you. So here when Bill he fell ill, who took care of Bill? Mom and dad. Both mom and dad they took care of Bill. So now who is ill? Who are ill? Mom and dad. Both mom and dad they are ill. So now Bill what he has to do? So he has to take care of mom. So see here, when we fall ill, our parents, our mom and our dad, our mother and father take care of us. So when something happens to our parents, so what we have to do? We have to take care of our parents. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಚೆಂದಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಳಜಿಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಟುಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್. ನೋ, ಸೊ why? For that we have to take care of our parents. So to become a good child to our parents, we have to take care, we have to respect, we have to take care of our parents. Okay, so the Bill, he is a good son. So for that, what he told to their parents, he told his parents that now he would take care of his mom and his dad. So then when the mom and dad, they heard that he will take care of them, mom and dad, they became very happy, and then dad told, I love you, Bill. So when Bill, he told dad and mom that he will take care of them, then dad and mom, they became very happy and they embraced Bill. See here, how they are seeming very happy. So dad, he told Bill that he loves him, he loves Bill. So and mom also said that I love you, Bill. So mom also, she loves Bill. See, father and mother, they always love their children. So like that only, children, as a children, we have to love our parents. So Bill said in the reply of his parents' love, he replied that I love you, dad, I love you, mom. So see, so as a parent, how they love their children, as a child of our parents, we have to love them a lot, like them only. So what we will do, students? Yes, you have to respect your parents, you have to take care of your parents, and you have to love your parents. Okay, so here we have finished the unit. So students, no need to write the question answers of this unit. I will not give the question answers of this unit. Why? Because you have completed first term. So now tomorrow onwards we will start second term syllabus. So here we have completed first term. So all the grammar we have done. We have done all the grammar. We have done all the units. So we have completed all the first term portion. So now tomorrow onwards we will start second term portion. So students, this much is enough. Tomorrow onwards we will start second term portion.